Before you skip to the next video, let me ask you this. Are you wanting to charge your iPhone, your Apple Watch, or AirPods Pro wirelessly all at the same time, but are looking for something that doesn't look like a plastic soap dish on a pedestal? Well, check this one out. This is AUKEY's brand new Qi2 certified MagFusion 3-in-1, and I've been using this for the past few weeks, so here are my quick thoughts. The MagFusion 3-in-1 retails for $120 and it comes with a generous 2-year warranty, but all you care about really is the charging ability. 15 watts wireless charging on the phone dock, 5 watts for the Apple Watch dock, and 5 for the AirPods dock right here. But this actually accepts other earbuds that do wireless charging for the cases, and actually since also this is Qi2 certified, it will also accept modern Android phones like the Samsung S24 for example. Really strong magnets, tempered glass right here. I haven't cleaned it on purpose so you can see how it collects fingerprints really easily, but you can pretty much wipe it off pretty quickly as well. The aluminum shell, this whole thing guys is really solid, nice and heavy, so not the most like portable or transportable in the bag or if you go traveling, but you can still fit it in the luggage if you have to. It has a nice weighted base at the bottom with rubber strips that keeps the dock in place on your side table or from scratching whatever surface you put it on. And it has a really nice angling right here up to 30 degrees in all direction, and when you have the phone on there it's just nice and solid, and you can have this in like in standby mode or something and have this sitting by your bed. There's a USB-C port right back here, and it comes in the box with its own 30-watt charger right here that you can use separately as well, and a nice lengthy cable. I really like how this thing is because it runs quiet and cool as well for this kind of charging capability. 20 watts combined all together going on at the same time. There's no fan unlike some other models of this caliber, so it's really nice and quiet as well as cool, and it looks fantastic.